Which animal can survive without a head for days? Answer A. Cockroach. What fruit floats in water because it has air pockets? Answer C. Watermelon. Which planet spins backward compared to most others? Answer A. Venus. What organ can continue functioning even after death for a short time? Answer B. Liver. Which animal lays the largest eggs? Answer A. Ostrich. What is the only letter not in the periodic table? Answer A. J. Which animal can sleep with one eye open? Answer A. Dolphin. What is the only food that never spoils? Answer A. Honey. Which planet rains diamonds? Answer A. Saturn. Which animal can survive being frozen? Answer A. Tardigrade. What organ can repair itself completely after damage? Answer A. Liver. Which country has a floating post office? Answer A. India. What is the loudest animal on Earth? Answer B. Blue whale. Which animal can sleep for 3 years? Answer A. Snail. What planet has the longest day? Answer A. Venus. Which country has pink lakes? Answer A. Australia. What organ produces pheromones in humans? Answer A. Skin. Which animal's blood is blue? Answer D. All of the above. What is the only letter that appears once on a standard keyboard? Answer A. Q. Which planet has a double sunrise seen from the surface? Answer A. Mars. What organ can float in water? Answer B. Lungs. Which country has a museum of bad art? Answer A. USA. Which animal can survive being decapitated for weeks? Answer A. Cockroach. Which animal can shoot blood from its eyes? Answer A. Horned lizard. What is the fastest growing plant? Answer A. Bamboo. Which country has a chocolate waterfall? Answer C. Japan. What is the only mammal that can't jump? Answer A. Elephant. Which animal has transparent blood? Answer D. Glass frog. What organ can beat outside the body for a short time? Answer A. Heart. Which country has a library made entirely of ice? Answer B. Iceland. What is the tallest species of grass? Answer A. Bamboo. Which animal can survive without water for months? Answer A. Camel. What is the only planet that rotates on its side? Answer A. Uranus. Which country has a town named Nothing? Answer A. USA. What is the only food that never rots? Answer A. Honey. Which animal can survive decapitation for a short time? Answer A. Cockroach. What planet has ice volcanoes? Answer A. Pluto. Which country has a bridge made of living trees? Answer A. India. What is the only letter that does not appear in any U.S. state name? Answer A. Q. Which animal can survive being frozen solid? Answer A. Tardigrade. What organ can regenerate itself completely? Answer A. Liver. Which country has a museum dedicated to toilets? Answer B. Japan. Which animal can sleep with half its brain? Answer D. All of the above. Which animal can change its gender naturally? Answer A. Clownfish. What is the heaviest metal on Earth? Answer B. Osmium. Which country has a festival where people throw tomatoes? Answer A. Spain. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Answer A. Bat. Which animal can survive decapitation for days? Answer A. Cockroach. What planet has a storm called the Great Dark Spot? Answer A. Neptune. Which country has a forest where it rains fish? Answer A. Honduras.